Once upon a time, a young man worked at a large manufacturing factory. An experienced old technician took him under his wing and gave him simple advice. Talk less, work more, learn everything you can. The young man took those words seriously. For years, he stayed quiet, worked hard, and mastered every machine on the floor. After 10 years, the old technician retired, and the young man became a technician himself. He was skilled, reliable, and dedicated, but something bothered him. One day, he visited his retired mentor and shared his frustration. "I've done everything right," he said. "I work harder than anyone. I know more than most. Yet people with less experience keep getting promoted, and I'm still stuck in the same position." The old man thought for a moment, then said, "Take a day off." The advice surprised him, but he followed it. When he returned the next day, the manager called him in. The factory had struggled without him. Problems piled up. No one knew how to fix them. That day, he was promoted. The young man believed he had discovered the secret. Whenever he felt undervalued, he took time off. At first, it worked, until one day, the factory gates were closed to him. He had been replaced. Heartbroken, he rushed back to his mentor. "I followed your lesson," he said. "What went wrong?" The old man smiled sadly. "You learned only half the lesson," he said. "A light that never goes out is taken for granted, but a light that goes out too often gets replaced." Then he added, "In life, be valuable, but be reliable. Don't disappear to prove your worth. Create balance, show consistency, and never forget the people who depend on you." And that lesson stayed with him forever. Because true success isn't about being noticed once, it's about being trusted always.